I'm gonna fix some breakfast, me and the baby. I'm gonna show you what I'm fixing. It's baked scrambled eggs. There's butter back here on the back, melting. 6 eggs here. I'm gonna start beating them real quick. Rosie, get back in here. Rosie. Rosie. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause this. My baby's done disappeared on me. I'm only one here. Make sure also you got your oven preheating 375. You need to stay in here. No, don't you go up them steps. Rosie, don't you go up them steps. Alright, back to it again. Don't you go up them steps, young lady. Add a little pepper. Old Bay seasoning. Stir it in. Okay. I got a cup of milk here. You just want to eventually slowly add it. Stir it in. Add a little bit at a time and stir it in. Rosie, stay in here where I can see you. She's full of energy this morning, to say the least. Yeah, that's what this bowl's gonna hold. Get your milk added. Take your butter, melted butter. Put it in this pan you can bake in. Turn the flame off of it. And then you want to add your eggs. I got one egg in to beat too good. Stir it in it. Stir it around good. Girl, what are you doing? Okay. Okay, my oven's preheated. I'm gonna put this inside the oven. Let it bake about 10 minutes. I'm gonna pause the camera right it's baking. Okay, eggs been in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let's stir them up a little more. And then I'm gonna add shredded cheddar cheese, about half a cup. I ended up using 9 eggs in here. I realized I put too much milk in it. And I added them, beat them up, and I added them off camera. So you really need, if you're going to use a whole pup of milk, you need at least 9, 10 eggs. Leave kitty cat alone, Rosie. Okay. Okay, once you get egg, your cheese on top, you want to stir the cheese all in with it. Make sure your cheese is stirred in it pretty good. And you're going to want to put this back in the oven for about another 10 minutes. I'm going to pause the camera during that 10 minutes and get right back to you when 10 minutes is up. Okay, I've had eggs in here in the oven for about another 10 more minutes. Stir them up a little more. Get them out to stir them up a little more. Rosie, what are you doing? She's been a handful this morning. 18-month-old. Hang on a couple minutes, we'll be ready to eat breakfast. Alright. And it's ready to eat. It's baked scrambled eggs. Got eggs, milk, get out at. Eggs, milk, and shredded cheese. A little pepper and stuff with seasoning. It's a really easy recipe. And I hope you try it and like it. Have a good day.